and welcome back to another episode. So, starting this one off a little bit different than we normally start off. It's moving time here in Calgary, and this is how we're doing it. So, believe it or not, we've had several quotes for moving, national companies, and even local folks that are willing to make this journey. And of all the quotes that we had, it was deciding to use a shipping container is what we ended up settling on. And the reason why, at the end of the day, out of all the quotes that we had, for us to take 2 shipping containers that we will now own across the country and doing this ourselves, yes, it's a lot of work. Let me tell you, Bill knows exactly how much work it is. He has done most of the packing in this house. He really has been amazing. But it does require a lot of work. Having movers pack everything into the container or pack everything into the moving truck themselves is definitely the way to go. However, we chose something different. And so, yeah, this is how we're doing it. It ends up overall, we're going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of half what it would cost us to move with professional movers. So there you go. And I guess a shout out to the container guy. So we had dealt with Brad at our local branch. I'll put his info down in the description. And Brad, the driver, so 2 Brads, amazing team, fantastic to deal with, highly recommended. Like I said, link down in the description below if you are interested. So this is one of 2. I didn't get the second one recorded, but we'll just be packing the container and, believe it or not, taking down my beloved greenhouse. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Thanks for watching. Off to the races. Okay, it's happening. We've decided on our moving company. You can see here it's basically shipping container. Shipping container number 1, shipping container number 2 to show up later this week. Same container, 20 foot, and we're basically filling it full. We got tile coming out from the garage, and we got some bricks here, which are going in first. This is it. This is our container. It's a high cube. Will get picked up later on by a crane and put on a flatbed and make its way out via a short drive across the country. Here we go. knocking this down. I never even really got a chance to finish it because the roof and the sides weren't totally done, but packing it up it goes. From here, inside there. Won't be long now. Okay. Hottest part of the day is behind us, so time to get back at it. Right, Teddy? Oh, the wind is scaring him. Wait till you get to Newfoundland. Okay, we're getting there. It's not been too bad considering. So total of 19 windows already down and in the second shipping container. So not many more to go. Almost halfway. And time to take a break from the action, grab a bite to eat. We've sustained a couple of injuries while this has all happened. So I took a board to the side of the face. So I'm gonna have a bruise. Lovely. But anyways, it's getting there. So progress. Chaos everywhere else. I'll take you for a little tour. Okay, so that's the, yeah, there's stuff everywhere. There's wood everywhere. Oh, and the garden looks so nice. This little patch here is just exploded with color. It's so pretty. The irises are the biggest they've ever been. They've done really well this year. Yeah, the roses are doing fantastic. We haven't had blasting hot heat, so the garden has been doing really well. Really well. Anyways, there's chaos everywhere. Patio set. This is one of our transplants that's hanging in. It's definitely on the sad side, but fingers crossed she'll pull through. More chaos. Stuff everywhere. It's been a little bit hectic. So this is the first sea container that arrived. I had done a little bit of time lapse on this one, but we just got the last 4 feet or so here to pack. So that one's getting done. And then, yes, more chaos and more chaos. My little truck. I'm gonna miss my little truck. Bought her brand new in 2009. It's a 2010. Been through a lot together. This has been a workhorse, this tiny little truck. I've hauled all kinds of dirt and rock and stone and wood and garbage, all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna be sad to say goodbye, but I don't think it's worthy of making the journey, so it'll stay. And this is the second shipping container. And my first 19 windows, they fit perfectly. We'll get another row 16 on top and then the rest laid flat on top. So that's it. That's where we're at. We'll do a little bit more time lapse when we get back from eating. If you don't like time lapses, just skip through. Otherwise, this is a perfect opportunity to say if you're enjoying the content, please subscribe. I'm trying so hard to get over 1,000 subscribers. And I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a meaningful milestone in the YouTube creator world. So I'm at, I think last time I checked, 909. So final stretch for 100. So if you're watching this and you're going, oh my God, looks like a fun journey that these people are on. Taking all their stuff from Calgary to Port Basques, going from a giant city to a small town. Subscribe. That's the least you can do. Please, please, please subscribe. Just hit the button down below. And I'd greatly appreciate that. So follow along on our journey. And we'll see you when we get back from lunch. Ciao, ciao. What am I doing? We're taking a break. I told people we were taking a break. I'm just showing them that we're actually taking a break. We're just having a stroll down 17th Avenue. Have a beverage in our container, and we're just enjoying ourselves. Yeah, having a great time. Lots of stuff to do. Look at these crazy people. Having fun. And we're enjoying our time too. And we'll be back at it shortly, don't you worry. We did a little bit of work yesterday, so a lot more gone. I've only got 2 sections left. So I guess I'll throw it up on the time lapse and we'll see what happens in the next hour or 2. Okay, so there you go. That's what happens in, I don't know how long that was. I forgot we were even doing the time lapse. My apologies, but it's, I don't know what it is. I think it's 30. I'll throw the temperature up on the screen. It's really hot right now, and this is just blasting us with sun. So we're taking a break out of the sun. Lots of other things. Okay, that's it, folks. I'm gonna wrap this one up, and I apologize for the editing. The house is in shambles. We're getting these containers packed. This is the second one. The other one's full, so we're gonna pack that. And I think next time I see you guys, we'll be on the road. So take care. Thanks for watching. And if you made it to the end and you're not subscribed, you must ask yourself the question why. Make sure you like below, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm at 909 or 912 or something like that. So do me a solid and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the road next time. Thanks for joining us. Take care.